Hey, what's going on, everybody? My name is Tyler, and today we're going to be making a Wordle clone in Svelte. So let's actually get started by viewing what we're going to be making. So currently I have a Svelte app right here in my browser, and as you can see, we can use the keyboard and select a word like, let's just say, green, I guess. We can see that there is an E, but it isn't in the correct location. So let's try a word like color. And we can see that there's an O, an L is in the correct location, but we're also still missing an E. Now, I know what the word is, so I'm going to just guess it, and it is hello. It'll tell us that we got the word correctly and that we guessed the word hello. One thing you'll notice is we can play again, and this time there's a very small words list that I'm using that we can go off. So I'll try something like zebra. Hopefully it doesn't get it. It doesn't. And I'm just going to pick in a whole bunch of random things. Now, one of the things you'll notice is that I haven't implemented a valid words list, and that's something very simple to do, and I'll show you how to do that, but it's just something I figured is pretty much repetitive compared to what we'll be doing. So, if we try a whole bunch of invalid words and letters, what you'll see is it'll say, hey, you didn't guess this correctly, and it'll basically say that. But yeah, let's actually get started by making this with Svelte.